nature, extraordinary views, total privacy and tranquility. This property that we're visiting together today is just outside the village of Saint-Cézaire-sur-Siagne. It's a hilltop village within an hour of Cannes and the coast. The property is extraordinary. We're in a natural setting that is so rare to find. We have 5 bedrooms in the main house, as well as a guardian's house or guest cottage, tennis court on 2.5 hectares of land that is located on the edge of this cliff, overlooking the valley below, the Siagne River, and Provence out over my right shoulder. So let's go and take a look at this property in more detail. It really is one of a kind. Welcome, and please come inside. The first thing you will notice as you come in through the main doors is this postcard window with views over the valley that I mentioned before, straight from the infinity pool. Angelique, my colleague, is here with me today, who will also be doing the tour with us. And before we start visiting the inside of the villa, we'll take a moment outside just to enjoy. In the winter months, you can see snow-capped mountains over on my left. And we have hilltop villages, just like the one that we're in, which is called Saint-Cézaire-sur-Siagne. We have hilltop villages, Monteroux, Calion, and Mons over my right shoulder. And not a single sound except for bird call and nature. It's really beautiful. Now that we've seen the view, I'm going to show you the interiors, which have been recently renovated and are of exceptional quality. We have stone floors, beautiful high ceilings. The bathrooms are marble and handmade Moroccan tiles. There are finishes throughout that are natural, they're neutral as well. It's the kind of home that you can feel at home in immediately. So this living room adjoins the kitchen and breakfast area. We have a fireplace on my right and a little reading nook as well. In the villa, we have 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. And then there is also a separate guest house with 2 bedrooms. It can also be a guardian's cottage. There is a tennis court on the property as well, and 80 beautiful ancient olive trees. The kitchen is a light and bright space, ideal for families. We have this wonderful island area, double fridges, gas for cooking, and on all sides of the kitchen we have openings out onto a beautiful terrace over here for entertaining, onto a shaded terrace for breakfast, and back into the living room. So we'll lead straight out now actually to the entertaining terrace. Via a lovely stone pizza oven and barbecue. And then for entertaining friends and family, or just a quiet romantic meal for 2, this table here is absolutely ideal. The sun will be setting in the west. We have lots of light, lots of sunshine, umbrellas for if it's a bit too sunny, but beautiful big mature trees as well to give you shade. We have this lovely shaded breakfast area here and the kitchen on the inside. And then now we're going to go back through into the living room and visit the bedrooms. The living room has so many special features, including this fireplace open on 4 sides, the beamed high ceilings, this really cute winter reading nook down over here with a postcard window looking out over the view. And now we're going to go up to the first 2 bedrooms. We're starting with this lovely master bedroom. It has a fireplace, it has windows and doors accessing out onto the garden. All you hear is birds. We have a lovely big dressing room as well, and of course an ensuite bathroom with a little feature that I can't wait to show you. The bedrooms all have reversible air conditioning, and from this main bedroom you walk straight down a few steps straight into the swimming pool on a hot summer's day. The bathrooms, which have been recently redone, have lovely marble fittings and these handmade Moroccan tiles, which give such beautiful character and colour as well. And then this main bathroom has an outdoor bath, my dream. Gorgeous bathtub where you have views of the olive trees, the garden, and again, all you hear is birds. This is the second bedroom. It is also an ensuite bedroom with dressing room as well, and access again out onto the garden. All bedrooms are carpeted, in fact, except for the 5th bedroom, which is actually a lovely feature. It's really rare in the south of France, but in the bedrooms, I must say it really does feel nice. And this access out into the garden, sleeping with the doors open, hearing the birds, it just is beautiful and such a lovely, lovely environment to be in. We now go back through the living room to the 2 children's bedrooms, if you like, which share a bathroom and have their own access as well onto the garden. I'm joined by my colleague Angelique again as we take a little walk through the gardens to go and visit the tennis court. The gardens have 80 olive trees, I think I mentioned that earlier, and produce olive oil through a cooperative system in the village every year. We of course have lots of fruit trees as well, and 2.5 hectares of lovely land. So we have now seen 4 bedrooms in the main house, and this 5th bedroom actually has a separate access. We're below the villa on a slightly lower level. We have this shaded terrace, so it's very private for guests, access to the gardens below, the view of course, and this bedroom is really spacious. It's very special. Recently renovated, this room, as I said, is ideal for guests. We have lots of cupboard space, a very spacious ensuite bathroom, and this perfect little lounge area. Saving the best for last, we're going to look at the cherry on the cake, which is a terrace with the most incredible views. So come and take a look with us. We are just below the house and the pool on this terrace, ideal for yoga, for reading a book, having an afternoon nap, and even for bringing down a table and having dinner down here. The views are unbelievable. You have beautiful air that comes up from the valley, so it's cool. It's wow. It's wow. I hope you enjoyed taking this tour with us today at this stone villa in the hills of Saint-Cézaire-sur-Siagne, just outside the village, about 15 minutes walk, with the most extraordinary views that I have seen in a very long time and a setting that is second to none. If you have any questions at all, of course, please do not hesitate to contact us. From Fine & Country, I am Alice and my colleague Angelique are available and at your service. We hope to see you again very soon on the Côte d'Azur, and à très bientôt.